let's take a quick peek at this beautiful, gorgeous Mother's Day, spring, Easter, beautiful table in all of our beautiful patterns and colors, including our big deal, all 6 pieces in all of Flutter. Speaking of the big deal, let's take a peek. We have it in Old World, confetti blue, green, and red. We have it in floral lace, black, cranberry, that gorgeous inky cobalt blue and red. Then we have it in Woodland, in our buttercream, our emerald green, absolutely beautiful. White, of course, that slate blue, and the gray. I know it's a little wonky to see, but let's get you there. There's the slate blue, and there's that beautiful gray. Then we have, of course, our doodles, black and red, and last but not least, 2 of our seasonal in our Pawfetti, and look how absolutely beautiful that all of Flutter is. 13 by 9 baker, 11 by 7 baker, lit it for the 13 by 9, 3-quart low profile shallow bowl with the pizza stone or lit it as well, and that 2-quart bowl. So 6 pieces, all on free shipping and handling. You guys,